All right, two of my favorite altcoins, Cardano and XRP, both could be primed for some bounce backs here as a bullish indicator is brewing. And this is coming from Sentiment, great data center, data company who, basically sifts through all the various data points on chain and basically says where we could be heading here in the near distant future. Now, Cardano and XRP have dialed back. We can take a look at some of the price points here for those two real quick before we dive into what's making us look at these in a bullish way. XRP still under 50 cents right now. It has been trending downwards, though, here in the last month. You can see we had a pop in the price all the way up to about 56 cents. Right now sitting at about 47. Cardano, very similar. Now, Cardano right below XRP, coming up a little bit here today, but in the last month, been trending pretty sideways. Not a lot brewing here for Cardano, but here in the 1 year, you can see back in April, we were up here at about 45 cents. And if we go all the way back to late last year in August, we were up at 57 cents. So we've been trending downwards here. We've bounced off this low point back in December of about 24 cents. We're back under 30 cents right now, which I think is just a great get for Cardano. A lot of the FUD surrounding these altcoins, of course, coming down, are they securities? Are they not? We don't know yet. That's caused a lot of people to sell off on some of these. I'm still heavily invested in Cardano myself. I still believe in the long-term future and outlook of it. And same thing goes for XRP. A lot of the FUD surrounding that has probably stunted some of the growth there with those two currencies amid all of the craziness that's happened just in our world in general. But coming back to this article, let's talk about what's going on with these two and why they could be gearing up for a little bit of a bounce back here scenario. XRP and ETH rival Cardano. XRP and Ethereum rival Cardano could be gearing up for bounces as a bullish signal starts flashing. Sentiment says that a large number of traders are selling their XRP and ADA stacks at a loss as both altcoins retrace from last week's rally. Now, according to the analytics firm, the mild trader capitulation could ignite bounces for XRP and Cardano. This is a quote, top cap crypto assets are being traded at a loss after high profit taking last week, lending to the price drop we've seen. XRP and ADA are seeing a particularly high amount of sells at lower prices, making the chances of bounces increase. Of course, this will come by way of the whales and the sharks. There it is. Looking at the Crypto King, Sentiment says that Bitcoin sharks and whales, which refer to holders of at least 10 to 1,000 coins respectively, have been aggressively accumulating for weeks, even as prices near local highs. Bitcoin sharks and whales aren't showing any signs of slowing down, even with prices beginning to get boring in this 30K, 31K range. Since June 17th, 10 to 10,000 Bitcoin addresses have accumulated 71,000 more Bitcoins, equating to $2.15 billion. The firm also says that ETH is flashing a bullish on-chain signal as new addresses, which have historically acted as an indicator for rallies, steadily grows under the radar. So keep in mind, crypto has been boring, but there's a lot of things happening behind the scenes, right, that we can't see all the time. And Sentiment does a fantastic job to bring that stuff to the forefront for us so we get some insight on that. Cardano, XRP bulls. Let me know how you're feeling down below. Sentiment says we could be gearing up for some moves here. I think later this year we're going to see a nice run in all of crypto. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.